His name is Mir Yusuf Ali Khan, and Salarjung is a title. It was a title given to him by the Nizam, the rulers. The rulers given him a title called Salarjung. The meaning of Salarjung means war, youth, war. Jung. Salar means head of the war. So the meaning of the Salarjung is commander in chief, army chief. So that's a title given to him by the rulers, Nizam. The Salarjung III, he visited. He's a lover of art and artifacts. He's a lover of art and artifacts, and he later it became his habit of collecting the antiques. So he visited more than 44 countries in the world. And he collected more than 1 lakh objects from the different parts of the world. It's not from one place. It's from different. It's a global collection. It's from Europe, Middle East, Eastern and Far Eastern countries. Different countries he collected many objects from different global collection. The thing is, he was a bachelor. He never married. Bachelor.
Not married.
Never married. No man, not married. He was a bachelor. So after his death, whatever the government received, the government built this building. It was built by government of India, central government, built this building in the year 1968. This building was built in the year 1968 and named after him Salarjung Museum. And Salarjung Museum, this museum is the world's largest one-man collection, single-man collection, largest in the world. One-man collection, single man, largest in the world. And it is India's top third museum, third largest museum in India. Third largest. So, in the museum, we have 2 rare objects are there. The 2 antiques are there. Very rare collection of the museum. Yeah. You won't find anywhere in the world. It's only unique of this museum. One is called Rebecca, veiled Rebecca.
That means?
It's the name of the statue. Rebecca is a character from the Bible. It's a character from the Bible.
Yes, we know.
Yeah. So it's a statue. It's a marble statue. One single marble statue, Rebecca. It was brought from Italy. So when you go there, when you see that, you will come to know that how he made it. There is a veil. There is a parda on head. It looks like a parda, but it's also marble. That significance is when you go there, when you see that, you come to know that. That's the one masterpiece. The second rare antique in the museum is double statue. There is one single statue of wooden statue, one single wooden statue. From the front, it looks a male, and the back side it looks a female. One single statue of wooden. From the front, it looks a male, and back is female. It was brought from France. So that I will show you. And besides that, we have glass, porcelain, and paintings, oil paintings. And again in the museum, there's a clock. Clock is very famous in the museum, musical clock. The clock was brought from England, and the significance of the clock is, every hour, a tiny tie, a gudiya, it comes out and rings a bell every hour and goes back. Every hour, it comes out of the chamber, rings the bell and goes back. It happens every hour. So we will see it at 12 o'clock, we'll assemble at the clock, and this is the 12 o'clock at the clock, and then we'll come out. We'll spend 2 hours, up to 12 o'clock we see all the galleries, and after that 12 o'clock, we exit at 12 o'clock, we'll come to the clock and see the clock, and we'll come out from the museum. Now we'll start now.
इसको विजिट करना पड़ेगा।
हम लोग गाइड के पास जाना पड़ेगा। ये कैसे
गाइड से भाग गया मगर
गाइड से हमको चढ़ना पड़ेगा।
आगे चलो।
ये देखो पूरा निजाम में का फायर गाड़ी फायर
record is broken by now. Breaking the record of the longest student. इसका नजराना if you do the नजराना then you drop in the water you won't take me हाथ से नहीं you have to drop in the boat. What is the meaning of नजराना? नजराना means नजर 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 डाल के देखने का नजराना माने नजर माने The king. He's a king. Mir Usman Ali Khan. Mir Usman Ali Khan. Nizam. This is called Sherwani. हैदराबाद में कैसा है शेरवानी परेशानी कहते हैं Masonic society spread all over the world. Their motive is to do service to human. The motive is to do service to human being. Service करना इनका motive है.
Free Masonic. Masonic.
No way concerned with any religion. The motive is to do service to human being and they do service secretly. They do service secret service society in the world. Even if they donate millions of rupees, they don't want their name to come out. They don't reveal their name and they don't tell their name outside. Even if they name lakhs of. Many famous artists from Pune, from Maharashtra, his name is Devasthana. All them with Devasthana. All them with Devasthana.
In a Kejriwal symbol.
And beside him, see the wife of him. Her name is called Durushagar. She is the most beautiful lady from Turkey. He married a Turkish lady. Durushagar is from Turkey. Durushagar is the daughter of the last Caliph of Turkey. Last Caliph of Turkey, daughter Durushagar, very beautiful lady. Because this is again the total downside, the two famous handicrafts from Telangana, Filigree and Bidri.
Jadi, apa nak? Apa dia? Apa yang? Siapa yang?